Okay, well, this is the basically finished product. I got tired of cleaning it with the steel wool. I mean, that's good enough for... I won't feel horrible sending it in this way. This very likely is going to get resurfaced, so I'm not too worried about that. Here's the side-by-side comparison on the OEM versus Wiseco pistons. If you can see, the holes are significantly larger in the oil ring. These are 1.5 millimeters over. This is a 74 millimeter. This is a 75.5 millimeter. There's 45 grams heavier, the aftermarket, the Wiseco. That is simply, you can see though here, how there's a significant cutout around the wrist pin that's not present on the Wiseco. Then there's also the added volume because it is a larger piston. That's about it though. So this is going to go out tomorrow afternoon. Hopefully have this back later on this week and see where we go from there. It does look much better. This is some 4-aught steel wool, some penetrating catalyst spray, pick your brand. We've all seen it on the shelf. We know what it is. Much better. I mean, there's still some cleaning for me to do, but I'm not going to get too carried away. Alrighty.